Raise your cleat up in the sky.
Dying in a war or dying of COVID?
Either way, it's a fight.
When the lockdown started, every performing artist was like obliged to be online, to do live streams. I don't want to sing online. I want to sing in the houses of people. I mean, in their living rooms.
I'm very active in contemporary dance theater the last 20 years.
In hell with Jesus or in heaven with Trump.
I'm usually so sad. Shot, shot, shot. I'm usually so sad. I need more shot, shot, shot.
Я оставам се много ме беше.
Аз никога не съм посягал на такова.
I'm traveling now.
You cannot experience real freedom if you don't forgive everyone, everything.
So from now on.
Той ми е любовта на живота. Той не мисли така.
Цял един мой свят, някой ме докосва. Искам да докосвам и аз. Някъде едно само дете танцува. Искам да танцувам и аз. Моля, моля, моля се.